and welcome to our Ask Emma sessions. Okay, there we go. So again, thank you everyone. Sorry for the technical glitch there. Here we are in our Ask Emma segment. Guys, in our survey at the end of the show, make sure to provide your feedback because this is a result of your requests. So we have short mini segments to feature different features in Ask Emma, and that's what we're going to cover today. And for today, what we're going to cover, there you go. So what we're going to cover today is top ups in the Emma app. How are we going to top up or rather top up our VUL policies in Emma? So that's what we're going to cover today. And let me start by saying that it's quick, easy, and convenient. Bakit ba we want to learn about top ups? Number one is that, of course, if we have BUL policies, very convenient, easy, and simple for us to top up our own VUL policies. And kung meron tayong mga prospects or clients na meron ding mga My Life Choice policies or VUL policies that are eligible for top ups, we can definitely share this to them para matutunan nila how easy it is to top up on their own. So, di ba? Number one, nakakonect ka ulit sa customer mo or nakabuild ka ng reputation mo sa mga prospects mo na wow, high-tech tayo when it comes to top up. Now, if you want to go to the top up section in your Emma app, so sorry about that, let me go back. Umurong yata yung aking slides. One moment. Okay, so if you have your Emma app, make sure to open them right now. And from your Emma app, dalawa yung option to go to our top up services. The first one is doon sa more services, you'll find the option to top up. And the second one is the services button sa may bottom part of your application. And from there, makikita niyo yung iba't ibang services available sa atin. Marami yan. And that's what we're going to cover all throughout our Ask Emma segments. Lahat ng mga services na yan, we'll cover it here. Now, from there, you just scroll down or look for top up services, and there you will find the option for a regular top up. Okay? And once you click on the regular top up, you'll be led to the page where you're going to select the eligible policy. So pipili ka ng eligible policy, automatic yan sa Emma. If you have an eligible policy, nasa drop-down options na yan. And second one is how much are you going to top up doon sa iyong eligible policy. Once you select the policy and add an amount, for example, dito, pinili natin is an accelerator policy, and pinili natin na yung top up amount is 10,000 pesos, no? And so let's say for example, yung current premium ng kanyang accelerator is 5,000 pesos. You'll notice na pagkatapos mo pinasok yung 10,000 pesos na top up amount, automatically you will see the new premium amount. So kung ikaw ang policy holder, alam mo kaagad kung magkano yung new premium amount that you're going to pay monthly dahil this is a monthly regular pay na policy, or kapag customer siya, even before they click next or complete the transaction, alam na niya kung magkano yung isa-set aside niyang budget para doon sa kanyang accelerator policy. So galing, 'di ba? Automatic naka-calculate kaagad siya. So it's easy for you to also share this to your customers na kitang-kita nila kaagad kung ano yung um, monthly nila na payment after just keying in the amount. Now, after you click next, what will happen ngayon is, syempre, for security purposes, hihingi siya ng one-time PIN. So you need to enter the one-time PIN. This will be an SMS message sent to the nominated mobile number for that particular policy. So ask the customer, monitor nyo yung SMS ninyo, yung mobile phone ninyo, darating yung OTP or yung one-time PIN, and key in your one-time PIN there, and then what will happen is that you will receive a confirmation, okay, after ma-validate yung one-time PIN for that particular transaction. And once that happens, that's it. You've completed filing for your, oops, okay. So you've completed filing for your top up for your regular pay, no, or for your accelerator account. So ganun lang kasimple. Nakapag-file ka na kaagad or nakasubmit ka agad ng requirement to top up your account. So that is for regular pay. Um, Siyempre, there's also one new feature na we added in Emma, and that is the option for lump sum top up naman. Yan. So hindi lang regular top up. Right now, they can also use the Emma app to do lump sum top ups. And from there, simple lang din. You just have to go back to the top up services. Kanina, pinili natin is regular top up. Now, you'll choose lump sum top up. And once you click on the lump sum top up, pupunta ka ngayon sa first step natin, the same lang din. You have to choose an eligible policy where you want to put in yung lump sum top up, and then how much do you want to enter dun sa lump sum top up amount. Yan. Okay? And for this one, after you select the policy and enter the amount, you'll be going to the allocation naman. Saan mo i-allocate yung lump sum top up mo? Kung accelerator to, similar to our sample earlier, do you want to add it to an existing fund that you already have in your accelerator policy? Or baka naisip nyo, dahil sa pandemic, meron kayong kailangang i-add, no? Like for example here, in this particular policy, inisip natin, let's also top up 10,000 pesos, and one note to remember, no? When we do a lump sum top up, the minimum amount is 10,000 pesos up to a maximum of 1 million pesos. Okay, so that is for the value amounts or range for our lump sum top ups. So let's say pinili natin is existing fund allocation. What will happen ngayon in the next page or step 2 is ilo-load kaagad ni Emma yung mga existing funds that are in the policy. So for example dito sa accelerator example natin, we have 3 funds that are in this particular policy. Chinese Tycoon, Philippine Wealth Equity, and Opportunity Fund. So from here, you can top up or do a lump sum top up of 10,000 pesos and allocate this to any of the 3 or all 3. So dito, one thing to note na importante is that number 1, ang minimum top-up percentage is 10%. And kailangan all the allocations should equal to or total to 100%. So yan yung kailangan nating i-remember when we do our lump sum top-up allocation. So once you're done, click on next once you've allocated the funds. So yan, 100% 10,000. And next is choose your payment option. So how would you like to pay the 10,000 pesos lump sum top up? Would you want to pay it over the counter or would you want to do it via bank transfer? So pipili ka lang one or the other option. At the bottom, pipili ka kung saang bank mo ita-transact yung lump sum payment mo. Okay? And from there, it will provide you the details ngayon. No? So take note at the bottom, nandun yung mga different steps depending on over the counter ka or pag nag-bank transfer ka. And once you've taken note of this, click on or tap on next. And syempre, for security purposes, we have to validate your identity. So in this step or step number 4 naman ng lump sum top up is hihingi ngayon ng ID verification. You need to select what kind of ID, no? Valid government ID that you're going to submit. And then of course, you upload a copy or a photo of that valid ID. So ang galing, 'di ba? So kahit na nakaupo ka lang right now, wherever you are guys, no, using the Emma app, nagagawa mo na kagad ang lump sum top up without going out of the house, no? So galing, 'di ba? So once you've selected the ID and uploaded the photo, so ito yung example niya, click on next and you'll go to the final step, no? Or next to the final step, which is your summary page. So dito, you can review ngayon kung ano yung details of the policy and the lump sum transaction you'd like to do. Ano yung policy number, ano yung policy na a-applyan mo ng lump sum top up and the amount. So you can see this here in policy details. Pati payment method, ano, nandyan. So very important at the bottom part, you need to check on the attestation page, ano, yung attestation tick mark or check mark sa baba. So nakalagay dyan na whatever you've placed here is accurate and correct. So you need to tick that or select that, then click on next. So same sa regular top up, you'll need to verify your identity para ma-process yung transaction mo. So from here, you'll receive again an OTP for your transaction. Just enter the OTP in here, and you'll receive again your lump sum top up confirmation message. Okay? So that is it. So just by doing those two things, nakapag regular top up ka na and or nakapag lump sum top up ka na. So thank you so much for joining us today. And this is Kurt for Ask Emma.